My friend Aisha say, I wasn't pushing Stonebwoy because Shatta was paying me a lot and Stonebwoy wasn't paying.
I paid Zionfelix 1 year to promote Stonebwoy. 1 year. Zionfelix is not dead. Munko Bisano.
Onya when you talk at the main kind, me and the main kind. Say, would the payrolls like what? Sena Aisha Casa will try make 1 year, no dear. And with the main kind. Send me will be payroll, so let me will be payroll the main kind and I'm payroll so.
Yao. Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. Come here say now what you need dear. Aisha Modi akasa ankasa. Upenipa. Medofo wa kasa pa match say. Kasa kura hu na no odwane a. Aisha Obaya Modi. Na medofo ne kasa mu no. Wayeye references bebree, wabobo nipa bebree din. Na wotie ne ye nso a. Nya okaka ho ne se, mu betima kobusa asemasi, sa asema mekan. Eye no kra na se, enye no kra. Me ne wo kasa yi, nipa ba kwa ne din pie mu ewo Aisha rants nim no aba abonten. Eye ye nua Zionfelix. Na medafo Aisha kasa mu no, na opache se otua Zionfelix ka for a whole year. Se on project Stonebwoy. Me de sa video no eba na eno achiri no yetie every Zion so sa asema na Aisha ka no eye no kra na se sabi eye nkontompa ene no krese.
I will be the last person be natives ebe disrespect me. Mama men kan kira mo the beam native team na me tie no mo boss o ma me wan Ghana da se me mfa ma mo me na me kotena ase na me hu the we Shatta Wale ya the fans ni niama and I feel said the beam for no so needs that love me ni Stonebwoy kotena ase say yenye bibi say ma beam fans na o ka kire me so no onye o ka kire me plain saa time na Zionfelix ni GhPage kumu nyina no me na me twi o mo ka na o mo promote Stonebwoy. Me to meet you GhPage kuka 1 year. Me to me bisa say GhPage kuku 1 year. Say na obe charge no watch me. Na me di amano. Munko bisa GhPage kuku for Stonebwoy. Into me adia Stonebwoy di year me. GhPage kuku me na frame me back door. Epa me chow say they know the truth. And my me kasa because I paid them. Ala ewuna wosu do Stonebwoy na ene woni me kwama Stonebwoy no. Tuli akola ketewa we abegina wo edidi Stonebwoy atam. Kona ne nkokon. Me wo beam no na me to credit every month bia no me to MTN credit Vodafone credit ebia me misi 50 million na me dia begina na me dia ma beam phone nyina na ye di promote no ye di pia ne niama me Stonebwoy ye me di obeye me no eye Alfred Manfo ya ama Alfred Manfo voice say out message a Stonebwoy de come Alfred Manfo edasu kitame okoko di Alfred Manfo atem wo Instagram so me ken Alfred Manfo Stonebwoy Alfred Manfo on di Stonebwoy wan Ghana da Stonebwoy you hear of Alfred Manfo gani da Stonebwoy in chair Alfred Manfo one beam t-shirt crowd da na Shatta Wale to party ama GhPage Shatta Wale to party ama ube una Shatta Wale ye party ama blogger we inte bedroom maybe na blogger sing na afe no be amposi stone. They told me approach you omo no Zionfelix ni GhPage kuku katre me say omo me ba be kan same way me da mo ase me be kan same way Zionfelix any GhPage kuku katre me say omo sika Shatta de mo di no omo di stone echi a omo hwe Black City mo hwe nti omo bebi omo didi kono ho no be promote ho na me bisa me ye party nyina ma GhPage because of Stonebwoy.
My friend Aisha say, I wasn't pushing Stonebwoy because Shatta was paying me a lot and Stonebwoy wasn't paying. We've always been pushing talent. Even when we're not even close to them, we're pushing. We've been pushing talent. We've been promoting a lot of talents. People that we need connection. No. Yes, Sikabemo a plus. At times people call you, say, okay, Zion, let's do this. I think there are few people. They pay monthly. And I say they appreciate you monthly. Obuha, we hear service, no from. No about ebia press conference ebia obey project now a frail now a call. And I think Ashamodi has done that a lot of times. We hear what say let's work on this particular project. No frail near corner yeah. And then you see, yeah, we are there mobia, yeah, and discuss say, yeah, dear talent A, a good talent B, anymore say. I don't do those things. Me yeah, Juma ma obi. Say be ya e be gu obi anim ase. Me yes anyone no. If I'm promoting you, I'm promoting you with the mind say me promote talent no. Me promote talent, me promote artists be say me promote way akogu way anim. Me yes anyone no. Say promote wa me nje material say this material or this video or this picture or this commentary will denigrate this other talent. I don't do those things. There be and I mean exclusive and your man talent. Say because I am promoting this particular talent. So any way we issue me promoting the other person. Me nyeza anyomano. Me nyeza anyomano. There be.
Say o akwantum o abrochire na opese o send sika ko momo number so ewo Ghana anase opese o send sika eko bank account bi so ewo Ghana. Me therefore ma men kan for lemfi emaw. De enti a me kan for lemfi emaw nyina ne say o pay money transfer omo exchange rate ewo soro kese pa eye lemfi. Na ni gisem crack kese ne say wo Europe now we your first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And now UK now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback. Or Canada any Americans now your $100 first transfer amount $20 cashback. Nemum answer na benya cashback no. Mema rain say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemunso se wa America na opese o shipping nyoma e free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma when imra also no mu gina wabobo ano omo be box on yoma kama na omo de akọ Ghana asumdwe mama omo so eni gisem ba akọ account ne say o fro ma ka kire say enam the BonahShow so na o te omo nka omo so mprempren na omo be chew 10% discount. Nia e chat woni se o kọ Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana abeko Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe baabi adam asomadwo obepe baabi a ewo 100% security ewo 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope baabi adam asomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.